Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Egypt is progressing in World Cup for the first time in history, reaching the stage of the 16 teams. And we are also aspiring to go further, and tomorrow will be the match with Argentina, and we are aspiring for the quarter final stage. So, in this important event and in these important circumstances, I want to celebrate this by giving you some of the buzzwords of Egypt World Cup and what people say when they are following up the World Cup. So, let's start. So, our first word here is Yalla Bina. Yalla Bina is a very important word in spoken Egyptian, which means let's go. Yalla Bina. It's a very motivating word, and we say if we want to do something or accomplish something and want the motivation or the spirit to say Yalla Bina. Yalla Bina. So you hear Yalla Bina a lot during the World Cup and when people are saying let's go and let's do it. The second important phrase here is Yalla nihlam. Yalla is the same thing, let's, Yalla. And nihlam instead of bina is the verb to dream. And nihlam is a conjugation with we, so we dream. So Yalla nihlam, let's dream. Let's dream. We say Yalla nihlam a lot, and people are saying it a lot because this is a miracle for Egypt to go into these high stages in the World Cup for a long time, and this is something very important to Egyptians. So we say Yalla nihlam, let's dream that we can go further in World Cup, and we can. Yanhar Abyad, Yanhar Abyad, one of the main phrases that we hear a lot in the commentary of matches in Egypt or games, soccer games in Egypt. Yanhar Abyad, this is a white morning, and we say Yanhar Abyad when we are astonished or when we are very surprised or very happy that something that is really good is happening. So say Yanhar Abyad. Yanhar Abyad is something really positive, and we describe the morning to be white, meaning that this is something that is big or something that's really great. So when we have, for example, a game and the score is 3-0, 4-0, 5-0, say Yanhar Abyad, this is 5-0. So this is something that is astonishing for us. And you hear Yanhar Abyad a lot during these days of the World Cup. A very important verb that I want you to know, it's related to football in Egypt, يرقص. يرقص, it means to maneuver. Okay, when a very capable player is like Messi, for example, Cristiano Ronaldo is maneuvering another player. So we say in Egyptian يرقص, and يرقص here it comes from يرقص or الرقص, which is dancing. And when we say يرقص, it means to let the other person dance. And the meaning of it, or what we mean, is that when a player is maneuvering another player, as if he is letting him dance because of the maneuvering. Okay, so we say يرقص. It's a very interesting word actually, and Egyptians say يرقص to maneuver. Okay, يرقص, يرقصوا, to maneuver him with the ball. يرقص. شد حيلك or شدوا حيلكم. شدوا حيلكم is an expression as a whole, and it means شد حيلك, it means get ready, be ready. Okay, شد حيلك, do some effort. Okay, be ready or do some effort. شد حيلك, شد حيلك. So شد is to pull, and حيل, it means the effort of the person, and pull your effort or شد حيلك, it means I want him to exert more effort or I am motivating the other person. شد حيلك, and the plural of it is شدوا حيلكم. شدوا حيلكم. So we say to the Egyptian team, for example, شدوا حيلكم يا أولاد. Okay, so exert more effort, guys, and do more effort and win the matches and go further in the World Cup. الكورة جوان, one of the very important, let's say, phrases in or wisdom phrases in Egyptian. الكورة إجوان. الكورة, it means the ball, and we mean the football as a game, as a concept. Igwan is the plural of gon, and the gon is the Egyptian word for goal. Instead of saying goal with the L, we say gon with N. And the plural of it is igwan or igwan. So when we say الكورة igwan, it means in English, football means goals. The moral about it, or the idea about it, is that you can play really good, but what matters at the end is the goal. Okay, if you play very bad and got one goal and you end up winning 1-0 or 2-0, even if you are not playing very good, this is what matters at the end, so that you are winning. So الكورة, the football, means goals. It doesn't mean just playing good, but it means it has to end with a result, with goals. الكورة إجوان. يا ولد يا لعيب. يا ولد يا لعيب. Oh man, you are really talented. Oh, talented player. Okay. لعيب is from يلعب, to play, but when we say لعيب, it is some kind of an exaggeration. Okay, so you say لعيب, it means he is playing really well. He can play really well. He is very talented. So we say, for example, ميسي لعيب, مو صلاح لعيب, Cristiano Ronaldo لعيب. Okay, لعيب is not just a player. He is a very talented player. And when a player in the match do some movement or do يرقص, okay, or make a good tackle or make a good maneuvering with the ball, we say يا ولد يا لعيب. Oh, talented player. يا ولد يا لعيب. And this is a very important and very common Egyptian phrases that all Egyptians know when they say يا ولد يا لعيب, when they see a good movement, a wonderful movement of a player in a game. بنكتب التاريخ. This is the last one. بنكتب, it means that we write. التاريخ, history. So بنكتب التاريخ, it means we write history. And this is very important, especially in this World Cup, knowing that we are reaching a stage that we haven't reached before in the history of World Cup. So we are actually writing history these days. So بيكتب التاريخ, he is writing history. بنكتب التاريخ, we are writing history. So now you can say يلا بينا يا ولد يا لعيب, بنكتب التاريخ, يرقص. All these words you know now, and you can impress Egyptians. We are very happy of what Egyptians achieved so far and this stage, and we are looking forward to go further into the World Cup and even reach the semi-finals and the finals. Who knows? This World Cup is full of surprises, and we can always dream, and we are always behind our national team, our beloved Egypt. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to enroll in my Egyptian Arabic 101 free course, the fundamental course that gives you all what you need to launch the world of spoken Egyptian. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Don't forget also to like and share, and waiting for you in the next episode. See you.